Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back, everybody. I got some more content for you guys. So I do have a 4-inch exhaust on my truck right now, which is the 06 F250 6-liter, and I believe it is the wrong exhaust because it rubs on the tranny cross member and also the firewall, which is kind of common for these. If you put a 4-inch on them, you have to clearance the pipe so it fits around not only the up pipes but the firewall. So I do have a new 5-inch FLO PRO, no welding, no clamping, it's all band clamped together. Exhaust to put on the truck, figured I'd show you guys that. But without further ado, Nate's already waiting on us over there at the shop. So we're headed there right now. Nice, real nice.
Is that high enough to think? You
Yeah.
want to walk around like this, you got fucking Sasquatch working under it.
Hey.
You're confident. I think that's fine. What's this junk right here?
That would be, you know, go fast stuff.
Going fast. Just do a quick walkover on how shitty your exhaust is now.
No, dude, I welded that myself.
So are you going all the way out the back or accidental?
No, all the way out the back. The whole reason I bought this, tired of washing my tailgate. Look at my, look.
Yummy.
Yeah. And I got me one of them nice drop hitches, aluminum. Looks really good when it's clean, but not covered in soot.
You want to go fast. Do you have a 13-inch exhaust tip?
Yeah, I do. Look at that, they already pre-beat the shit out of it for us.
Video here. There's no fuel on.
Oh, God damn.
Too many volunteers.
Oh, whoa, watch the truck, dude.
See how peer pressure works on my dad. Hey, do a burnout! Do a burnout! Your tires are shot anyway. It can't. The old one-wheel squeal. Jesus Christ. That one tire is bald now. Now back to your regularly scheduled program. Over an hour.
That's why I was rubbing. Sick. So we just fought with a downpipe for a ridiculous amount of time.
Give me a new one.
This one's pre-clearance. Part of the reason why I wanted a new exhaust. Exhaust is going in great. It's the first thing I've done the whole time.
Dr. Cut 'em all over here is just really been doing his job. As you can see here, fits great.
Totally broke the lift. Alright, exhaust is all on. Actually fit really well. Kind of kind of impressed with how easy and
Now
well
it's
it fit.
dangling down. It wasn't before.
Yeah. I just gonna do that.